guys, I'm Ronnie from Neo Film School. Nikon India has dropped us its newest mirrorless camera, the C6. So this is the FTZ adapter. We can mount the F lenses from Nikon to the Z mount. It doesn't have any optics. It also has a thread lock. So up next, it's the 24-70 f4 Z mount. We also have a hood for it. So this is the 50mm 1.8 Z mount. It's one of my favorite lenses. It also has a hood in the box. Like, I have to say, the build quality of these lenses are like premium quality. So up next, the most awaited box, the Z6. So like usual, we have some paperworks. The camera strap, a charging cable, and some accessories. So we have two function buttons and a secondary screen. So this camera has a 24.5 megapixel CMOS sensor, 5-axis image stabilization, shoots in 4K up to 60 frames per second and shoots slow motion up to 120 frames per second in 1080p. So let's power it up. Thanks to Nikon India for providing this camera for the review. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll be back with a detailed review of this beast after using it for some days.